Hello bro, not an educational video today, because honestly I've exhausted all of my fucking thoughts. I just wanna remind you, man, go out in the forest. Look around me, okay? It's fucking this mountainside, huge area, grass everywhere, dead trees everywhere. There's birds chirping, the sun is shining, the sky is clear. It's like a fucking, I don't know, a picture a kid would draw, right? It's fucking nice. And this is honestly where inner peace is achieved. And right now I'm not achieving inner peace because I'm recording a fucking video in a foreign language, but once I stop this video, I'll just relax, man. My fucking dog is running out. Hopefully he doesn't get eaten by something. I hope he won't. I'm just chilling, man. Feels fucking nice to be able to relax, get your brain together. This is also where some powerful thoughts come when there's no distractions. So figure out where the nature is for you, because some people live in cities where there's streets and cars. There's always gonna be that one park, that one part of the forest that you can get to safely. Just spend some time there, man. I don't think you're gonna regret it, right? Let me try to get my dog, because I don't know where the fuck he went. Bruno! Eh, what? I think he's coming, guys. I think he's coming, guys. Bruno! Ewa? Are munce. Are munce. Çakın tıkı. Çakın tıkı brunça. Bruno! Ewa? Okay, I need to train my fucking dog a little more, okay? But that's it for today, man. Have a good day. Chill out a bit, spend some time in the forest, refresh your mind, and get ready to destroy this next week, okay? Let's get some PRs. Let's do some good work. Let's bulk up a little bit. Let's get it, baby. Bye-bye. Yo, bro, I thought I would add a video of my dog just chilling out in the forest for like a minute or two. Maybe you find this shit peaceful, right? Maybe it's like fucking ASMR for you. I don't know. Just watch him walk around. Stop, brate. Stop, amigo. There's dogs barking. He's on alert, I guess. He's I don't even know. But there's some very dangerous dogs nearby. Like a couple 100 meters away. We might not even survive if they come to us, bro. So if they come, I'm just activating my caveman. He's activating his inner wolf. And you just do our best, man. Because when it's do or die, you don't really want to die, right? Bruno? Ne? Shh! Bruno! Ewa? Ewa? Hey! Ewa? Bravo, muche. Bravo, muche.